Hi guys, welcome to the second tutorial of Python projects. In this tutorial we will create this snake game with Python, and in this tutorial, to getting started with this tutorial, you only need basic understanding of Python. So let's start our tutorial. Welcome to my computer screen. I will be coding in Sublime Text Editor. Here you can see I have a folder called snake game which is empty, and now I will create a new file in this. I will save it inside the snake game folder which is empty. I will name it snake.py. Now I will save it. I am coding in Ubuntu, not in Windows. You can code in Windows, there's no problem in it. Let me zoom it first. I will import turtle. Turtle is already installed while you install Python, so you don't need to install anything extra for turtle. Then I will import random, and after that I will import time, which we will use later. Now I will create a screen for our snake background screen. I will name this win for window. Now you can name anything as you want. I will write here turtle.screen. I want its title to be snake game. Now I will give it a color. I will give forest green color. You can give any color you want. Then I will write here win.tracer 0. So we have created a background forest green color screen. Let me check it. So I will write here turtle.done. I will save it, and let me go to the folder. I have a snake game folder here. I will open terminal. You can do it in command prompt in Windows. I will write here python 3 snake.py. If you are working on Windows, so you can write Python only. There is no need to write Python 3 if you are working on Windows. So here you can see I have a screen. Now I will create a snake. Now I will write here head. We will start with creating a snake head, then we will create body. So I will write here head. I will write here turtle. Now I will give a head shape. I want head shape to be square. And then head color, I will give it black color. You can give any color you want. Then I will write here head dot speed. I will give it a speed 0. 0 is the highest. Then I will write here head dot pen up. I will pen up here, and then I will specify the place where I want my head means go to. I want it x to be 0 and y to be 100. I have not specified here Windows size, so I will write here win.setup. The boundaries for our window inside where our snake should eat food. I will set up 6 100 by 600 pixel. So I have written here. I will write here while true. I have removed turtle dot done. I will create a while loop here where I will write win dot update. Now I will save it. Let's check how is it looking. So we have a head here at 0, 100 pixel upper. So you can see here. Now I will move our head. We should move our head left, right, up, down. So let's do that. Now to move our head, we will create move function. So let's create our move function. I will write here def move. I will create a condition if head dot direction is equal to up. We have one thing left here in head. We haven't specified direction, so we should first do that. I will write here head dot direction is equal to stop. Now I will let me check this. So we have done here head dot direction is equal to stop. Now in our function I will write here head dot direction is, if head dot direction is equal to up, then we will write y is equal to head dot y coordinate. Then I will write y plus 20 set. So we want y, whenever our snake goes up, we want 20 pixel of our head to move up. So I will copy this and paste it here 3 times. Now I will write here if head dot direction is equal to down, y minus 20. Now if head dot direction is equal to right, I want x axis now. So x is equal to x is equal to head dot x score and x plus 20. We will set x. Now if head dot direction is left, we want x minus 20. X will move 20 pixel left. Now I will write here move function. We will call here move function, but we have written here head dot direction is equal to up, but how our computer knows that we want our head to move up or down? So we will write a function here to make this work. So I will write here def move up, and I will pass here. I will copy it 3 times more. I will write here if head dot direction is equal to down. If head dot direction is not equal to down, head dot direction is equal to up. Now I will copy it also 3 times and paste it. Now here I will write move down. Copy it. Now if I want move right, I will write here if head dot direction is not is equal to left, then we want it to be right, and then move left. I will write here if head dot direction is not is equal to right, I want it left. I have written like this because I don't want snake to move up and down at same axis. I want it to turn then move down, so I have written like this. And now I will connect it with our keyboard so that whenever we press a key it should move up, down, left, right, etc. So keyboard, we will link our keyboard with this. So I will write here win dot key link. I think it's key link only. Let's check it. Wait, win dot on key. I will move up. When we press W, I will copy it 3 times. Now I will write here move down. Move down, we want S. When S is pressed, it will move down. And for right, I want D. And then for left, I want A. Key link on key press. Let's check it if it is working or not. After that, we will do anything else. So it's error. Key link is not the right function here. I think it's on key link key. Let's check. So it is also a wrong function. Let me check. So here I should have written listen, so that our key should be listened. Now our function should work. Let's check it. Okay, it's too fast. It's working too fast. So we should delay it. I will write here delay. We want a delay of 0.1 second. So I have written here delay, and in our loop I will write here time dot sleep delay. We have given delay 0.1 second. Now I will save it. Now it should work properly. Let us check. Okay, I have not cut here, so let me cut it. Now it should work. So now it is working. Great. It's working. It's not working fine. Let me check it. Left is A is left, delay. Right with D and left with A. If head direction is not right, it's left. Okay. No, it's right, left. Okay, I have not minus here. So X minus 20. Now I will save it and check it. Okay, now it's working fine. Now we want snake food, which snake should eat and get bigger. Now I will create here food for our snake. Food is equal to turtle dot turtle. Now I want food shape to be circle, and then food color to be red, and then food speed to be 0, and then food dot pen up. Now I want food place to be food dot go to 0 0, and that's center, and then I want food shape size to be 0.5. 0 and then 0.50. Now I will save it and let's check how is it looking. So we have created our food, but our snake is not eating it, so let's do that. Now here I will write here, whenever, if I will create a condition here, head dot distance, if head dot distance from our food is less than 15, if head dot distance from our food is less than 15, then x is equal to random dot randint is used to get random integers between 290 plus 290, and then y is equal to random dot randint between minus 290 to plus 290. So whenever the distance of our food from our head is less than 15, our food will be placed at different positions. So I have written it. Now I will write here food dot go to x y. Now I'll save it and let's check is it working or not. So our snake is eating food, that's great, but we want snake to get bigger, snake body to get bigger, so let's do that. Now I will create here segment. Now I will write snake body, I will name it segments. So I will create an empty list of whole snake body, snake means segments, and now I will create new segment here whenever food is eaten. So I will write here new segment is equal to turtle, and I want it to be, sorry, new segment color. Right now I am giving its color to be white, later we will change its segments to different colors. And then new segment dot shape to square, and then new segment dot pen up, and then we will append this new segment in segments, then segments dot append new segment. So the new segment will be appended in our segment whole body whenever food is eaten, but it should also move whenever food is eaten, it should also move with our snake head. So let's do that. I will create a for loop here, for length of, sorry, for I in range, whole length of snake, whole length of segments minus 1 to 0. So I am writing here in range of length of segments minus 1, because in Python counting starts with 0, not 1. So that's why I have written here minus 1 and minus 1 to 0, and here I will write minus 1 again, because I am moving the tail part, that back part of a snake, from last to first. I am not I'm not giving here I don't want snake after head part to move, I want last part of a snake to move. So I have written here for I in range, we will check it. I will write here x is equal to segments I minus 1, I will write here minus 1 dot x core, and then y is equal to segments I minus 1 dot y coordinate. Then I will write here, so we have written for I in range segments of I dot go to x and y, it will go to x and y, and the second after head, the new segment after head is a special for us, so that it could move. It is special because it should move at the place of head. Whenever head goes 20 pixel up, our second means ki after head part should go to that place. So we will write here, if length of segments is greater than 0, x is equal to head dot x coordinate, with where our head was, and y is equal to head dot y core. Now I will move segments 0 part, means second means ki first part of segment, new segment, to go to x and y. We will see it, we will check it if it is working or not. So I have written here this, it should work now. Let me check it. Let's check. So I have written here python snake.py. So it is working. It is working great. Now I will write here boundaries where the snake should die here. If some snake goes, it should die, means a new game should start. So I will write that, and segments should be empty again whenever it goes to boundary or it touches itself, body itself. So let's do that. I will cut it. Now I will write here, if head dot x coordinate, head dot x core is greater than 290, or head dot x core is less than minus 290, or head dot y coordinate is greater than 290, or head dot y coordinate is less than minus 290. Then I will write here, I will first give a time delay, so I will write here time dot sleep. I will give here 1 second of delay whenever it collide with wall of our boundary. Now I will write here head dot go to, our head should go to 0 and 0 initial position, and its direction should be stop. Direction is equal to stop. Now we have written it. Now I will create here a for loop for segments, for our segments, for segment in our segments. I will put segment dot go to 1000. I will put this out of the frame so that it should not be seen. Now I will write here segments empty, so our segments will again empty, and our game will start again. So let's check if it is working or not. Okay, we have some error. We have a type error in this. Type error on line 105. Let's check what is the error. Okay, here is the error. I have not given parentheses. Let's save it, and now let's check it. Okay, so it is working fine. So it collide, and now see segment is empty. Now our game is again started. Now if this snake collide with itself, then also it should then also its segment should be empty. Sorry, then also its segment should be empty, and game should again start. Let's check if it is doing like this. So it is not doing that, so let's put that in work. So it is not doing that. So I will, after move here, I will create here a for loop for segment in segments. If segment collides with segment, I will write here if segment dot distance from our head is less than 20, then what should happen? We will first give a time delay of 1 second, and then I will write here head dot go to 0 0. Our head should go to middle, and then I want head direction to be stop, and then after this I will create here a for loop for segment in segments. I will write here segment dot go to 1000, then segments will be empty list. So whenever it collide with itself, only its tail, head collide with its tail, the game should be restarted, means our segment should again be empty. Let's check if it is working or not. So it is working, it collide with itself, and the game is again started and segment is empty. So let's go further here. So we have we have created a snake game, but we want some changes also. We want some more functions, like color. I want to be it's colorful, so I will write here I will write colors. I will create here a list of colors like red, green. I will not write here green because background is green only, so I will write here a yellow. You can choose any color you want. I am just writing pink, and then purple, and then blue. I will write here sky blue. Let me save it and let's check if wait, I have not given this color to here. We have white color, so I will write here random. We will randomly choose from the list we have created, random dot choice between for our colors. So let's check it if it is working or not. Okay, so it is working, it's new color. Okay, it's working now. We have different colors of a snake segment. So it is working now. I want score to be displayed here I want score and high score to be displayed. So let's do that. We will create a pen here. I will name this pen. I will write here I will write here pen is equal to turtle, and then pen dot shape to be square, and then pen dot speed to be 0, and then pen And then what else we can give? Pen dot color. I want pen color to be white. Then I will write here pen dot pen up. Then I will hide this turtle, so I will write here pen dot hide turtle. And I want this at the upper side of our window, so I will write here pen dot go to 0 to 60. Let's check it. And then after this I will write here scores, where score is equal to 0. Initial score will be 0 and high score will also be 0. Now I will write here pen dot write. Through pen dot write we can write here pen dot write. Now here I will write score, our score. Initial score will be 0, so I will write here only 0 here. And high score wait, okay, high score will be imported here, and I will write here dot format, and I will write here score and high score. Now we have written pen dot write. I will change its font color, so I will write here font is equal to, you can write any font you want, and then I will write 24 and then normal. So it should be written, it should work now. Let's check it if it is working or not. Okay, it is in the side, so let's do that. Let's align it center. I will cut this. I will write here align. Align center. Okay, so it is looking great. Now I will change whenever now I will change it whenever our snake eats food. So let's do that. Now I will change here whenever our snake eats food. So here whenever new segment is created, I will write here. First of all I will clear it, otherwise whatever score is generated it will overlap. So I will write here pen dot clear, and then I will copy this. I will copy this and put this here. Here I will do this and score and high score. Okay, I will write here score is equal to score plus equal 10. We will, whenever a food is eaten, score will be equal to 10 for one food. Now I will create here a condition. If score is greater than high score, if score is greater than high score, then high score will be is equal to score. So let's check if it is working or not. I will save it. It should work now. Okay, it is working. Okay, whenever we are colliding with our wall, or if our head collide with our segment, it should also, our score should then go to 0 and high score should remain to its last highest score. So let's do that. So I will copy this here, and whenever we collide, so here we have collided and created a new segment, I will paste it here. Also I will write here score again to be 0, and it should work now. I will copy all this and I will paste it here also. So now it should work properly. Let's check it. Okay, score is created. If I collide with it, so score is 0 and high score is 20 only. It is not changed. And if I created score greater than 20, then high score changed to 30. So our snake game is created finally. So congratulations, you have created a snake game. So okay, bye. I will see you in our next tutorial. Okay, bye.